Experiencing USB port failures on your StarTech docking station? You're not alone. Many users report issues with ports not recognizing devices or delivering power. Start by checking the basics. Is the dock properly connected to power in your computer? Are the USB cables securely plugged in? Next, use tools like Windows Device Manager or macOS System Information to see if the docking station's drivers are recognized. If not, reinstall the latest drivers from StarTech's website. Power allocation is a common culprit. Ensure your laptop's power supply is adequate. 90 watts or higher is often recommended, especially with high-power USB devices. Try port cycling, disconnecting and reconnecting devices in sequence, as this simple step resolves issues in many cases. If problems persist, a deeper dive is needed to rule out hardware issues. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider firmware updates. StarTech releases updates that address compatibility issues, so check if your model has a recent version available. Hardware issues, such as bent pins or internal capacitor failure, may require professional repair or replacement. Note that StarTech has extended warranties to 3 years on affected models. Community forums like Reddit's r/StarTech and Spiceworks often have user-shared solutions. Looking ahead, trends in docking station technology aim to improve reliability. USB 4.0 and Thunderbolt 5 integration offer faster data speeds and reduced port failures. StarTech is also investing in AI-driven diagnostics in upcoming firmware to auto-troubleshoot issues. While USB-C dominance is expected to stabilize issues, ensuring stable power, compatible drivers, and hardware integrity remains crucial for reliable dock performance.